What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're going to be drawing Drednaw from Pokemon Sword and Shield. Now we're going to be drawing this character from the side. So let's start all the way over towards the left side of our page with the inside edge of the horn. So start out here, we're going to draw a curve coming down. We'll just bend that in. Let's go back to the top, we're going to draw the top of the head. Curving up and then out towards the right. Let's work our way up towards the top of the horn. From here we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out. Draw an angled line coming in. And we'll draw a straight line going all the way up towards the tip of the horn. Now we're just going to make our way down towards the inside. Going straight down. And we'll come in with a slight angle. Let's draw on the front horn. From here we're just going to draw a straight angled line coming down. Now we'll adjust the angle going out towards the tip of the horn. Come down along the bottom. We come down and in. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back up to the center point. We'll draw a short line going out. Now we're going to work our way up towards the tip of the horn. So we're going to angle up and out. And we're just going to taper this up towards the tip. Now let's go down towards the bottom. Come down. And then we'll angle this out. Let's add a circle along the bottom. And we'll see the inside edge. So start at the very top of the circle, curve around towards the right, and down towards the bottom. Let's add a couple cracks along the horn. Starting from the top, we'll angle out and down, draw a short line coming down. And then from the bottom, we're just going to draw a short line angling up. I'm going to go halfway along this curve, draw a straight angled line going up and out along the top of the brow. And we'll go up towards the corner of the eye. Now we'll draw a half oval underneath. Stepping over, curve down towards the bottom of the eye, and back up towards the top. Let's add a small half circle along the top on the inside edge of the eye, and draw a smaller half circle along the inside. From the inside corner of the horn, we're going to step out and draw a curve, coming down and then in. Let's draw on the top row of teeth. Draw a straight angle line going up and in, and come down. Go back up, and come down with a short line. I'm just going to draw a short line going up towards the jaw. And now we're going to add an oval for the hinge of the jaw. All the way around, and then back down. Let's draw the lower row of teeth. From the bottom of the oval, come straight down, go up, and then come down. Go back up again. We're just working our way around the bottom of the teeth. Come down and out, and then go back up towards the tip. Let's draw the inside edge of the mouth. Along this line, we're going to curve down and then out. Let's go back to the inside. From this point, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom teeth. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to curve down and then in towards the lower part of the jaw. We're going to round out the lower jaw and then come up underneath the hinge. Come down and up, round out the jaw, and then pull that in behind that oval. Now we're going to draw on the top of the head. From this point in the horn, we're going to step up, curve out, and then down. Come straight down with an angle in behind the jaw. Now we're going to move over and draw the bottom edge of the shell. Directly above the head, we'll step up, draw an angled line coming down and out. Come down with an angle. Now it's going to work our way towards the back of the shell. Come across with a straight line. Change the angle slightly. And we're just going to bend that up towards the back of the shell. Now we're going to go back to the left side. From this point, we're going to step down underneath the head, curve out, and then up. From here, we're going to curve over, and then we're going to add a large point along the front of the shell. Come up with an angle, and go out towards the right. Go back up to the top, angle down, in, out, and we'll just pull that down towards the bottom. Now we're going to trace these lines all the way to the back and taper towards this point. Spacing is going to get narrower as you come towards the back. And now we'll add the scales along the back of the shell, starting at the top, and go up, and then go out. And come down with an angle, go back out, and pull that straight down toward the edge of the shell. Let's tuck another one in behind. We're going to step down, and go up and out, come down and out with an angle, down and in, and all the way down towards the bottom. And then one last time we'll step down and go out. I'm just going to pull this down towards the tip of the shell. Now let's go back to the front. From this line, we're going to step in, follow that same angle line coming down and in behind the head. And we'll come to the back of the head, curve up and out behind the shell. Now we're going to add the front leg just to the right of the head. So we start up here just underneath the shell, curve over towards the head. We're just going to bend that down. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. From the front, we'll curve down and then back up. And then from the back, we're going to follow that same curve, going up and back. And then we'll connect the top and bottom of the leg with a curve, going out and then down. Let's add 3 toes along the bottom of the foot. Starting from the corner, we'll draw a straight line going out. We'll curve up and in behind the leg. Let's step in, draw another curve going across, and go straight down towards the bottom. We'll do that one more time, leaving a gap, up, and then straight down. I'm going to add a seam along the bottom edge of the foot, just up above the toes. We'll curve across and then down. And then we'll add a horn at the front, starting along this line, angle up and out, go up towards the front of the leg. I'm going to connect the top and bottom with a curve. And then we'll step up and draw another seam, going across and then down. Let's move to the right and draw on the hind leg. Starting underneath the shell, curve over and then down. Now going back to the top, we're going to bend out towards the right and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. Starting from the right, we'll curve down and up. We'll connect the top and bottom with another curve. Now let's add the toes. Starting from the bottom corner, go out with a straight line, curve up and then in. Step over, draw another curve, and then come straight down. Do that one more time. We're also going to add 2 seams across the leg. Starting from the inside, curve up over the toes and then out. Step up, curve up, and then out. Going back to the head, we're going to draw the lower edge of the body in behind the legs towards the tip of the tail. So start underneath the head, curve down and in behind the leg. We'll go in between, curve down and then up. Continue over towards the right side, curve out, and then up towards the tip of the tail. Now I'm going to curve this back up underneath the shell, leaving a little overlap. So from the edge of the shell, we'll step in, curve down, and then out towards the tip of the tail. And we'll add 2 spikes at the back of the tail. Starting on the left, go up with a straight angled line, come back down. We'll draw a smaller one on the outside. And now we're going to create a seam in between the legs. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and then back down on the right side. Let's add a seam across the belly. Starting over on the left, we're going to curve out towards the right and up towards the top. We're also going to add some wrinkles across the neck. Starting from the top, in behind the head, curve out, and in behind the jaw. And then we're going to step down, curve in towards the leg, and then up underneath the shell. Let's go back to the bottom of the belly, angle down and out. Now I'm going to blend into a curve going out and up underneath the body. And then in between the front leg and this line, we're going to draw another curve for the back leg. Let's add the back leg in behind the head. So we're gonna start right underneath the chin, curve out and down, round out the bottom of the leg, and then curve this up and in behind the body. And then we'll add 3 toes. Starting at the corner, angle out, curve up and in behind the head. Let's add 2 more toes. Starting at the front, over, come straight down, leave a gap, and do that one more time, all the way down towards the bottom of the leg. And then the last thing we're going to do is add some cracks across the top of the shell. Start the front, stepping over, curve out and up. We'll pull this across and over towards the right. From this point, we're going to leave a gap, curve across, do the same thing along the back. Now we're going to step down, curve across, and then down, and then hook that back in. Do that one more time on the back. Down and in. And there we have it. There's Drednaw from Pokemon Sword and Shield. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.